Hello kids! Welcome back to 𝐤𝐢𝐝𝐬. Now let's play the sound test game. I'll make a sound, and you have to guess which picture starts with that sound. Are you ready? Let's go! Letter P sound test. Which picture starts with this sound? Pig, octopus, lemon, that's right, P for pig. Which word starts with P? Pen, kite, onion, yes, P for pen, pen. Letter Q sound test. Which picture starts with this sound? Queen, mouse, lollipop, great, Q for queen, queen. Which word starts with Q? Quail, orange, tiger, correct, Q for quail, quail. Letter R sound test. Which picture starts with this sound? Rain, horse, orange, yes, R for rain, rain. Which word starts with R? Rhino, onion, leaf, correct, R for rhino, rhino. Letter S sound test. Which picture starts with this sound? Snake, mouse, orange, yes, S for snake, snake. Which word starts with S? Sun, lollipop, kite, correct, S for sun, sun. Letter T sound test. Which picture starts with this sound? Tiger, duck, lemon, yes, T for tiger. Which word starts with T? Train, octopus, onion, correct, T for train. Amazing job, little learners. You matched all the sounds perfectly. You're getting smarter every day. See you soon with the next fun Test P to T phonics.